Hey there, banana lovers! Did you know that Americans eat more bananas than apples and oranges combined? That's right. This humble yellow fruit is a staple in many households across the country. That's a whole lot of banana peels. But what happens to all those peels? Many people don't realize that banana peels can be composted and used to enrich soil. But there are some things about this beloved fruit that just aren't true. Myths and misconceptions have surrounded bananas for years. We're going to explore those myths and uncover some surprising truths. From their nutritional value to their impact on your health, there's a lot to learn. Get ready to go bananas for the real deal. This fruit is more versatile and beneficial than you might think. For years, we've heard things about bananas that make us wonder if we should even eat them. Are they really fattening? Do they contain too much sugar? Do they really give you energy? Athletes often eat bananas for a quick boost, but is it all just hype? Well, hold on to your hats, because we're going to dive deep into the world of bananas and find out what's what. From their origins to their many uses, there's so much to discover. You know how much I love a good myth-busting session, and today, it's all about bananas. We're going to get to the bottom of these banana myths once and for all. We're going to separate fact from fiction and learn how to make the most of this amazing fruit. Whether you're a banana enthusiast or just curious, there's something here for everyone. Get ready for a wild ride. This banana adventure is going to be both fun and informative, so stay tuned and let's peel back the layers of this incredible fruit together. First up, let's talk about the myth that bananas are fattening. This one's just bananas. Many people think that because bananas are sweet, they must be high in calories and sugar. But in reality, bananas are actually relatively low in calories and fat. A medium-sized banana has about 105 calories and less than half a gram of fat. They're also a good source of dietary fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. This makes them a great option for a healthy snack or part of a balanced meal. Another common myth is that bananas will give you a sudden burst of energy. While it's true that bananas contain carbohydrates, which our bodies use for energy, they don't provide a quick surge like some energy drinks claim to. Instead, the energy from bananas is released more gradually, providing a steady source of fuel that can help you power through your day without the crash that often follows sugary snacks or drinks. It's all about balance, people. Incorporating bananas into a balanced diet can contribute to overall health and well-being. And last but not least, let's address the myth that you shouldn't eat bananas at night. Some people believe that eating bananas in the evening can disrupt sleep or cause weight gain. This one's just plain silly. There's no scientific evidence to support this claim. You can enjoy a banana any time of day or night. They make for a delicious and nutritious snack or meal addition, whether it's morning, noon, or night. So go ahead, add bananas to your smoothies, oatmeal, or just enjoy them on their own. They're versatile, tasty, and packed with nutrients that your body will love. Now that we've busted those myths, let's dive into the amazing health benefits of bananas, a fruit that's not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and proper heart function. They're also a good source of vitamin B6, which supports brain health, helps produce serotonin, and can improve your mood. But wait, there's more. Bananas are a good source of dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health and can help prevent constipation. They also contain powerful antioxidants, which help protect our bodies from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. So how can you incorporate more bananas into your diet? It's easy and versatile. Slice them on your cereal for a nutritious breakfast, add them to smoothies for a creamy texture and natural sweetness, or just grab one for a quick and healthy snack on the go. They're perfect for any time of the day. You can even try freezing them for a cool treat or mashing them to use in baking recipes like banana bread or muffins. The possibilities are endless. Here's a fun idea. Try making banana ice cream. Just blend frozen bananas with a splash of milk and your favorite toppings. It's a delicious and healthy alternative to ice cream. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Remember, bananas are a versatile and nutritious fruit that can be enjoyed in countless ways. So go ahead and go bananas! And that's a wrap on our banana adventure. I hope you learned something new and feel empowered to enjoy this amazing fruit guilt-free. Until next time, stay healthy and keep on snacking.